Hello everybody, I'm M.A.X and this is my second tutorial for M.A.X Touch. In the first tutorial we ended at this screen, so we press now the start button to start the round we just set it up. First you can choose your clan. Every clan has some advantages. You can read down here. I just go with the first, one of my favorites anyways. Then I can choose a landings guide on the map depending of your device you're using. I use Windows with mouse. You can easily scroll up and down. I choose this position. So now the complex plan mode started. This is a round before the first turn. So this is for setting up your units, the starting units you will use in this game. You have a lot of options on the menu. On the side you can switch the panel side easily, and we will go first of all with the surveillance button. The serve button, if you press it, you see all the resources placed on the map. On a Windows you can scroll out with the mouse wheel, and here you see the resources placed on the map. Most important in the beginning is the resource, the white one, and this resource is for raw material. The raw material you need to build any units or buildings, so this is the most important material in the beginning. Then we have fuel, it's never important, and we have gold, which is important later on. But first you go for the white one. So 16 is the highest value, so this is a very good and very close field. So the first thing you should do now is to build units. I switch off the serve again, build units, and then you see all buildings and units M.A.X Touch has to offer. But we just go like in a standard game with the ground units over here. So you deselect all other unit types, no air, no ship, no building, and you end up with only the ground units. The two most important units in the beginning are the constructors and the engineers. These two units build everything you need for this game. For example, a constructor builds these mining stations. This is your starting mining station. Every player starts with one mining station, and the engineer builds the small buildings like this one here. So this is an energy generator. So I start always with a scanner, because a scanner is like a mobile radar, and if you click on it you can place it on the map, and then you can choose build and go if you want to build directly another scanner, or just build if you want to build a scanner, cancel if you don't want to build one. So I go with build, and the advantage is now you see my scanning range increased, so I have more possibilities to place units. So I am done at this moment. I turn on survey again, and I build a unit, a constructor, and I place it next to this big field of raw material. I say build and go because I want more, so I put another one here, build and go, and another one next to my main base. And this is the last one, so I just go with build. Then I can fill up these constructors. I should fill up them, never forget that, is the most important step. So I double click on them, and then I see the option transfer info, of course, or remove if I build a constructor and I want to delete it. So I go with transfer, and then I can choose how much raw material I will transfer to this constructor. And you see the gold is varying depending on how much material you take with you. I recommend always to fill them up completely. So 60 from 60, like here. If you click double on it and go to transfer, you see 60 is suggested anyways, so just go with the 60. Then I go to build unit again, and I build engineers, also 3, next to my constructors. Is never a bad idea. And maybe here. Okay, then I build a scout, 2 scouts, just to scan the area, and then I need some self-defense. I go with 1 assault gun, and then I go with the tank. Okay, so now I fill up my engineers. I forgot that, never forget that. So I go here, maximum, here, maximum. And with this constructor, you see, due to the amount of gold I have, I can only afford 30 from 40. So this is no problem, because my starting mining station will produce 14 raw material each round, so next round I will be able to fill that engineer up again. Okay, so this is my starting. I switch off the survey so you can see it better. This is my starting setup, so I have 2 constructors waiting to mine the 16 raw material fields, and I have 1 constructor just waiting here, a scanner, my scouts, a tank, and an assault gun, just how you like it. If you finish with your complex plan, just go to menu and go to finish complex plan. If you just want to change anything, you can save it and finish it later. So I will finish my complex plan. Yes, I want to. So the computer is doing just nothing, only placing the starting base, and now we can start our first turn. And before we do that, we go to the next tutorial. Thank you very much.